want to eat some eggs. I know who gives us eggs. Come. This is the hen coop. Who lives in a coop? Hens. And hens give us eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hens are birds and they are a domestic animal. They help us. They give us eggs. And ducks and quail give us eggs too.
This is a hen. A hen is a bird and a hen is a domestic animal. It helps us. It gives us eggs. Hens give us eggs. Hen, hen. A hen is a bird. A hen is a bird. Hens give us eggs. Hens give us eggs. This is a duck. A duck is a domestic animal. A duck helps us. A duck gives us eggs. Ducks give us eggs. Duck, duck. A duck is a bird. A duck is a bird. Ducks give us eggs. Ducks give us eggs. This is a quail. A quail is a bird. Quail are domestic animals. They help us. They give us eggs. Quail give us eggs. Q for quail. Q for quail. A quail is a bird. A quail is a bird. Quail give us eggs. Quail give us eggs.
Look, here are some feathers. A long brown feather and a short black feather. Hens can be many different colours. Hens are birds. And hens are girl chickens. But there is a boy chicken with long feathers. A long feather on his tail. Many long feathers on his tail. It is a rooster. A rooster is a boy chicken.
This is a rooster. A rooster is a bird. A rooster is a boy chicken. A rooster sings early in the morning. A rooster has long tail feathers. Rooster, rooster. A rooster is a bird. A rooster is a bird. A rooster is a boy. A rooster is a boy. A hen is a girl. A hen is a girl.
Roosters don't give us eggs. Roosters are boy chickens. Roosters sing first thing in the morning. We can hear the rooster sing. There are other birds. We know a dove has a white feather, but a dove is a pigeon, and there are many different coloured pigeons.
This is a pigeon. A pigeon is a bird. This is the home of the pigeon. The pigeon knows where its home is. You can take it far away. If the pigeon goes far away from the home, it can fly back. Pigeons can fly back home from far away. Pigeon, pigeon. A pigeon is a bird. A pigeon is a bird. A pigeon can fly home from far away. A pigeon can fly home from far away.
I got my eggs. Who gives us eggs? A hen, and a duck, and a quail. We know a song about a hen. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. We can enjoy the eggs.
I can cook an egg. I can cook an egg. I can eat an egg. I I can eat an egg.
I like to eat eggs, and now it's time to play. I want to play with my kite. Kites can fly high in the sky. We know a song. Kites, kites flying high, they seem to reach the sky. Red and blue and big ones too. Pretty kites, I like flying you. Kites fly in the sky and birds fly in the sky too. They can fly high in the sky. There is a bird that flies very high in the sky. It is an eagle. Look!
This is an eagle. An eagle is a bird. An eagle is a big bird. An eagle can fly high in the sky. An eagle can see a long way. An eagle can fly high in the sky. Eagle, eagle. An eagle is a bird. An eagle is a bird. Eagles fly high in the sky. Eagles fly high in the sky.
Birds can fly. They can fly high in the sky like an eagle. And birds can give us eggs like a duck, quail or hen. And there is a boy chicken that sings first in the morning. It is a rooster. And there are many pigeons that like to come and ask for food. Birds are amazing.
Okay, children, now we're going to write pigeon, rooster and eagle. Here we write pigeon with a P, P-I. Then here it is G sound for J. P, G-E-O-N. Gin. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Then rooster. R-O-O sound is roo. Roo, then S-T, st, then E-R sound is rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Then eagle, E-A sound is the long sound of E, E, then G sound is G, then L-E sound is L, eagle. Pigeon, rooster, eagle. Very good, children. Goodbye from Miss Simpson.